Like any vehicle, your Ford requires maintenance. But what's the smartest way to care for it from day one? That's where the Ford Protect Premium Maintenance Plan comes in. It's comprehensive coverage that goes well beyond routine oil changes and tire rotations. It includes numerous inspections and covers all scheduled maintenance based on your vehicle's specific needs. At each service interval, your vehicle undergoes a comprehensive multi-point inspection. From changing transmission fluid to replacing brake pads, you can rest easy, knowing your vehicle is getting the recommended maintenance without the unexpected expense. And the plan covers preventative care and replacement of common wear items, such as wiper blades, engine belts, and spark plugs. With regular maintenance, you can maximize your vehicle's efficiency and reliability, while also helping prevent unexpected failures and even improve trade-in or resale values. The Ford Protect Premium Maintenance Plan offers options to fit your needs and other benefits you'll appreciate, so you're free to just enjoy the ride. It's the only plan that's 100% backed by Ford Motor Company, that offers Ford-certified techs, Ford-authorized parts, and service locations in the U.S., Canada, and Mexico that's designed to keep your Ford a Ford, just the way you like it. Insist on Ford Protect, the extended service plan that's made for Ford owners.